In this video, we will talk about how to fix taskbar icons not showing Windows 11. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on bottom bar, select Task Manager. Scroll down and select Windows Explorer. Right-click on it, select Restart. Method 2. Clear IconCache. Click in Search, type CMD, select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the following commands one by one, given in the description. This will delete IconCache and restart your system. Method 3. Registry Editor. Click in Search, type regedit, select Open. Click on Yes. Here, you have to be in this location. I've mentioned it in the description. You can copy it from there. On the right side, right-click in here. Take your cursor on New. Select DWork 32-bit value. Name it Undocking Disabled. Double-click on it and change the value data to 1. Click OK. Then reboot your PC to apply all the changes. So that's how you can fix taskbar icons not showing Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like and drop your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video.